Hi guys. I'm actually in Bukit Bintang, this bustling city. There is some kind of exhibition going on behind me. At the same time, look at the back. Okay, I'm standing right here because I want to tell you guys. Okay, what is this video about? Okay, basically, the plan was to go to a rooftop bar to see the entire Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so like any rooftop bar around the world, okay, you have a dress code, which is obviously closed shoes. Like even for ladies, you need to wear closed shoes, and same goes to men as well. And no casual attire is actually allowed. So in this case, you will see in the video that I'm actually quite dressed up. I wore a leopard print pencil skirt with a nice top and also a cardigan. So I was fully prepared with nice shoes, Barbie shoes, and things like that. So the story is, we got to Bukit Bintang, where I am right now. This is Bukit Bintang. It started to rain. Okay, so when it rains, the rooftops are not open because of safety hazard. So what do? I was so disappointed because I really dressed up and I wanted to take some videos and photos and everything. So, and also watch the sunset maybe, but since it was raining, and we ended up going to a restaurant suggested by a friend. It's actually a Yemeni restaurant, quite a posh Yemeni restaurant, just to wait until the rain stops. Ended up 6 travelers in the table, and it was really inspiring. Some of them that I've never met before, and we stayed there until midnight. And the funny thing is, on the same day, look at how the universe works. On the same day, there was this Japanese supermarket which is really huge in Japan, which was opening on that day. So it was the opening day. But because it was the first day, they were closing at midnight. So we rushed. It was 3 minutes to midnight. We rushed to the supermarket to get some dessert. Okay, and because we were talking the whole day and just having coffee and some dessert, later on we went to a Syrian street food, which was shawarma in the street. So this is the video. Enjoy this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Take care. We are again back at a Yemeni restaurant. Look at the details of this wall. Oh my god, I'm here with CY.
Hello.
Yay, Hong Kong. Rachel. Douglas. What are we doing? We are chilling here. And this coffee is mind-blowing. Wow. So good. This coffee is so good. How are you guys? Why so quiet in video? Hi.
Hello.
Shy. Don't be shy. Mind-blowing evening, to be honest. Oh my god, there's so much depth in everybody in this table. So now we're going to go get more food. Let's hear from who first? How are you feeling? Say something.
I don't know what to say. Like, I learned so much from my set. You are the knowledge girl, which is the shiny girl, the shiny girl.
Wow.
The shiny girl.
Hello, I thought you were going to go that way. Yeah, just glad I took the leap to come to Malaysia. I don't know what to say. Like I clam up when there's a camera like you.
So now you'll travel solo more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looking forward. And
What up, guys? I think today was an awesome meetup, and we got to learn a lot of things. Yeah, every one of us are just happy to be here. And we have a few of our friends who aren't couch surfers, and they're actually planning to join couch surfing just because of the sharing session today. Super awesome, super knowledgeable, supercharge our mind. Amazing. And
It was really a nice experience. We had a talk that I will remember until the end of my life. So, yeah. Thank you. Coach surfing rocks.
Wow, this guy is
I would like to say thank you for introducing me to couchsurfing and meeting new friends from all over the world, especially Jay. And there's another Jay. Thank you guys.
Arigato, konnichiwa. No. Thank you for having me to communicate with the different people from the different country and talking mind blowing. You know, this is the best experience and a lot of topic, a lot of topic. Top this and then the top another the topics, and then you know the girl who taking this video is pretty. Thank you.
Yeah, I'd just like to say that I'm very glad I met you all as well. Glad I went to the couch surfing event last night that led to you two. CY, can't forget CY.
And CY.
And then obviously that led to meeting you three as well. So, yeah, it's great.
couch surfing, mind blowing, travel changes everything. Now we're gonna go get. What are we going to explore? What's the name of it?
try Swiss rolls.
Swiss rolls. Japanese.
In a Japanese shop. It's called Don Don Donki.
Yeah.
It's very, very popular in Japan. You can find it everywhere. They have the very first branch in Malaysia, which is in Isatan, Bukit Bintang. So let's go there and grab our Swiss roll.
Let's go, Don Donkey. See you guys in a bit.
the same job
To talk about the decor of this restaurant. Look at this. Beauty, man. Look at this. Wow. This is amazing. The decor. And also like the entire wall. Wow. And the lights. It's a yummy restaurant in Lazeez. Bukit Bintang.
Now we are in Bukit Bintang and we're gonna visit Isatan Don Don Donki, which is right over there. One of the biggest Japanese supermarket, which is like first available in Malaysia. You guys should check it out and check it out right now. We're gonna check out the best Swiss roll in all Malaysia, and we're gonna try it right now.
The only branch apparently in Malaysia.
I didn't know there's a donkey here.
Thank you.
We only close, huh? We only
Yeah, we're together. Thank you. Only 3 minutes. Wow. Closing.